So here we have the Vauxhall Meriva 1.4 exclusive on a 15 plate. Let me start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. The outside, you can see it's a 5-door car. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and 3 individually folding rear seats. The boot space can be increased by lifting, and if you wish to, removing this tray section here. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through those controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in wonderful condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles on this car are 5,005, and then at the top we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls. The main stereo unit is in the center console area just here, with a screen above it. So this car's got FM and AM radio. Every push of the button will give us a different frequency for the radio station round in circles, and you can then save certain presets as well. If you want to listen to your own music, we have a CD player, so you can put a CD in and listen to it that way, or you can plug in a USB or auxiliary device should you wish to. So plenty of ways to listen to your music on this car. The CD player is just at the bottom of that unit there, and with the main volume for the stereo and the various things you can select, so CD, auxiliary, and your radio, all on the left hand side there. We then have air conditioning. So you can select the temperature with this left hand dial, fan speed on the right hand one, the direction of the air, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off. It's on at the moment. When that light is on, it's on. That button will recirculate the air that's in the car, which is a great way of cooling the car down quickly on a day like today. Or if the temperature's hot here, then it's a great way of heating the car up quickly as well. And then we have a rear heated screen. That button will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen for you. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox with an electronic handbrake, and then down the bottom just here we have the auxiliary and USB inputs underneath this flap, and a 12-volt charging socket underneath the other one. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.